to my channel. So today's video, I have this beautiful fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps my channel out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead starting off with the Maybelline, the City palette, little tiny palette. And I'm starting off with the yellowy shade from that palette. It is very pigmented. Once I use this in the other video, I was like, whoa, this yellow is very pigmented. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this right onto my crease. I do go up a little bit higher because I'm going to be applying a few more colors right on my crease, and I want to be able to show you guys all the transition colors that I'm going to apply. So I do go a little high up so you guys can see this. So I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. I believe this is a 35F palette. I will list it down below, and I do have a discount code, PrettyGrace, for some money off if you guys are interested. This palette is very versatile, you guys. I love this palette because I'm able to do so many makeup looks with this palette, and you just need this one palette. So definitely check them out. I will put the information in the bottom bar for you guys. So I am applying these two orangey shades and applying them right onto my crease. Then I'm going to go back with that yellow shade again and help that blend the colors in together so nicely, as you guys can see. Then I go back again and I kind of go and I retouch the colors as well. So I'm going to apply these two burgundy shades right there that you guys see, and I'm going to apply this on the crease as well, but it's going a little bit lower. This is just going to go touching the lid, so it's kind of like a little sandwich look, but I just didn't want to do the whole darkness on the outer corner, inner corner. So yeah, so I'm going back again with the yellow, then I'm going back again with the orangey shades, and then just, you know, kind of touch up all the colors just to make sure that they're very pigmented and you can see where the colors are at. So you guys can see I'm touching up again. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply two colors, two greenish colors, shimmery shades, and I do spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray, so you guys can see. And I'm going to use this green right here, and then in the center use the bottom green, a lighter green, so it just kind of gives it a little bit of color, and it is so beautiful, this look. I really enjoyed doing this video for you guys because when I do colorful looks is when I mostly feel so confident, and I just love fall because it just gives me, you know, the warm tones just make me really happy. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyeliner. This one is, I believe it's CoverGirl, or is it Maybelline? I'm not sure. I'll list that down below for you guys as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do like a little wing liner. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes as well. And I really like this eyeliner. It just made it so easy for me to apply, make my wing liner actually. So yeah. Alright, so after that, I'm going with that yellowy shade again and applying this right on the bottom lash line. So basically I'm doing the same thing I did on the top, I'm doing at the bottom. So first I'm putting down the yellow shade. Then I'm going to go and apply the burgundy shade after, and then I kind of go back with a little bit of the orange just to help me blend everything out. So I kind of do apply a little bit, and then I blend, and then I apply again, and then I blend. So it's just a little simple color, you know, transition that I wanted to do. It's very fall makeup look, honestly. So then here I'm doing a Urban Decay orangey eyeliner. I will list the name in the bottom bar for you guys. And then I'm applying a little bit of mascara. I'm actually done with this mascara. I'm at the last already. So I already placed my order for another one. I do have like a backup one, so I just wanted to kind of order another one just so when I finish the backup one, I do have another one. So yeah, so this mascara, amazing. All right, so I just kind of go with a brush and kind of help to stick my lashes with my falsies. So that's what I did with the brush. And then for lips, I am using the Time Los Angeles liquid lipstick, and I'll list it down below for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.